What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. IP Royal have finally finished making their Android app. Thanks to my viewers for the heads up. It does the same thing as the computer version, which is sell your unused internet bandwidth to create passive income. You can find it in the download section of IP Royal Pawns. Simply run the APK file to install it on your Android, then turn on share internet to start earning. So that's basically it. Wait until you reach $1 and then cash it out to PayPal. As always, you can stack this app with Honeygain to earn more on your device. Now you are only allowed one active device per IP address, so I'm going to go ahead and uninstall the PC version. This is because I feel better about leaving a phone running overnight than a PC. If you have internet access at other locations, such as your workplace, then you could plant a device there to increase your earnings. Since there's not a lot to this video, I wanted to tell you about my plans to make a second YouTube channel. I think the ultimate way to make money online is to create something which is entertaining, valuable or meaningful. Now let's be honest, most ways of making money online are pretty boring, because at the end of the day, you're still working for someone else on a task that you don't care about. It would definitely be more fulfilling to earn money by pursuing your own interests. One of the ideas I had for a new channel was to review retro video games. It's not a bad suggestion, given how easy it would be to do, but the way my brain works is that I become intensely interested in something for a short period of time before moving on to the next thing. So sometimes I have a real drive to maximize my income, other times I want to immerse myself in video gaming, and there are also times where all I want to do is watch first-person rollercoaster videos on YouTube. The only interest I've managed to sustain for years is fitness, because I'm motivated to do it for health reasons, even in the times when I'm not interested in it. Since fitness is something I already do, and will continue to do whether or not I document it, this is a convenient idea for a YouTube channel. To make things interesting, I'm going to document my physical transformation when following a calculated nutrition and exercise plan for the first time. Hopefully, showing my journey towards a goal will make the channel more compelling and relatable for viewers. I can feed back the results of my new channel to my Lazy Money UK viewers so you can see if it's an effective route to monetization or not. As for the Lazy Money UK channel, we are gradually climbing up to 1,000 subscribers, so it only makes sense to keep pushing forward. Make sure you're subscribed, because we're going to check out some more money making methods. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.